How would you describe what you're seeing here in one word?
It's just like ethereal. It feels like it's just like above everything and just like kind of transcending.
What? So emotional. It feels like you could really feel what she was feeling that she was creating.
I'm gonna say intense. Just like very moving in the most bizarre way, but also so beautiful.
Surreal. I'm just like amazed by the range of materials that she's using, but also the settings that she imagines. It's just, for me, like, I would have never thought to put them together.
There's a lot of like interesting imagery. A lot of it feels alien, honestly otherworldly to me.
History.
Afrofuturism.
I just feel like a lot of the artwork just like took me through like different time zones, just different periods.
I find that I have a hard time finding hope in my current reality sometimes. So I look to Afrofuturism for like comfort and to help me feel optimistic.